After priming and setting the eyes, begin by applying a matte light brown shade into and above the crease. This is our transition shade. Next, deepen the crease with a matte mauve shade. Blend with a clean, fluffy brush. Use a large shader brush to pack a dark brown with gold shimmer onto the lid. I'm also bringing it slightly into the outer corner. Blend the edges into the crease. All of that blending means pigmentation loss, so go back in with more brown. The more you take your time going back and forth between shading and blending, the more seamless your final look will be. Next, I'm going back in with the matte brown to soften the edges. Buff out the edges with a matte nude shade. Even though Rotor Man is described as a nude matte, I think the shade is a bit too pink and dark for my skin tone. Clean up any fallout and apply your usual facial routine. I like to sharpen the outer corner with a makeup wipe. I'm sorry, I messed up recording the beginning, but here I'm using a small pencil brush to apply that matte brown all along the lower lash line. And as always, blend. Concentrating right at the base of your lashes, apply the shimmery brown. Be sure to connect everything to the upper lash line. Blend one last time. Line the waterline with a brown eyeliner. Highlight the brow bone and inner corner with a metallic rose gold. Finish off the look with some mascara and you're done. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, where I post sneak peeks and updates. Thanks for watching!